Hello, welcome back one and all. Sun's out again in between showers. Just had my trusty ladder up. We had to take that dead elder at the back there. You may not be able to see it. I had to take that down, so I had to get up with my chainsaw. So that was a bit precarious, but all came down safely. We're going to be repotting some of the geraniums. I've said that before. I didn't get round to it, so I'm doing it now. Checking up on some of the cuttings we did, and planting some more seeds. Not sure if those tomato seeds on the toweling are going to germinate. There's been no sign yet. I know I'm a bit impatient, but there's no sign yet. So if not, we'll get some others on the go just in case. Bit of growth here, which is good. Got the marigolds, sweet peas, and the shallots. So I still haven't done this dead geranium. All these strawberries, the suckers they sent around the base, I've taken out, cut up and repotted, so hopefully they'll take. I'll leave all these established ones here because I can't pull them out of the engineering brick underneath. But in the meantime, this dead geranium has got to come out and I'll replace it with something else. So 2 geraniums, one lollipop red and white, one white. I think it'd be a good mix. Get the old one out and put these in. And we've added a further 2 geraniums, one traditional orange, one white. in amongst all this tumbling ted to give us a burst of colour, so we can see it from the house running through up the stairs into the garden. It's just a nice incentive to get out. So this is the finished raised bed and cold frame area. All the stones in. I've got 4 bags down the side there, the green bags, which are going to be my potatoes. I've got those external doors as a cold frame there and there. They've got seeds and seedlings under them at the moment. This area is going to be for squash. I'm putting a trellis up here on this edge, and hopefully they'll climb up there. When these seedlings are a certain size, I'll take these 2 cold frame lids off, and then I can plant out all my carrots, onions, etc. in these areas. These are the tomatoes I sowed from seeds from my tomatoes last year. If you remember, I put them on a paper towel to dry them out, and then had to cut the paper towel up and actually just plant the paper towel with the seeds on. But they're all coming through. My experiment with the sunflowers is pretty conclusive. Those 2 were from the old packet from last year, and these 2 were from my actual flowers that came through last season. So, old packet, and I didn't check the date, to be fair, and last season's crop. So that's another one done. A lovely warm day. Got to wrap it up because I've got stuff to do actually. Believe it or not, normal stuff, you know. Stay healthy, do what makes you happy, and we'll catch you next time.